Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are going to be going over my new hair routine with you guys. So last year and the beginning of this year, I straightened my hair way too much, and it did cause a little heat damage in my hair. So the top and the ends were curly, and then the middle is wavy. It looks way better now. You can't even tell that much unless when I lift it, as you can see that. So my hair routine is pretty much for damaged hair and for hair repair. And at the very end, I do speak about what I am using to actually get my hair to grow as well. Since I did cut my, I want to say I trimmed about 2 inches off my hair in May, and I trimmed it again very little off my ends earlier this month, and my hair is pretty long. And I will insert snippets of my previous, hair routine that I was doing, and look at the quality of my hair compared to how it looks now. Now it looks freaking amazing and super full, voluminous, bouncy, and just overall great. So if you would like to see how I got my hair like this and my hair routine, please keep on watching. Okay, so now that we are dressed, I am going to show you what we use. So I did wash my hair with shampoo. This is the shampoo that I used. This is the OGX coconut milk shampoo. I have not conditioned my hair yet. And I am going to be applying this Garnier Fructis Damage Repair Treatment 1-minute hair mask. I am going to leave it on for more than 1 minute, and my hair is pretty it's not super damaged, but it is damaged. My curls on the top is curly, the end is curly, the middle is wavy. You know what I mean? Especially on this side of my head. So I'm trying to fix that because I know my curls could pop right back to their normal shape, and we're gonna leave this on for an hour or so and take this off. I'm going to start off by brushing my hair first just to get all of those tangles out. I did not brush my hair in the shower, and this brush has a lot of hair in it, but I got this actually as a set with my blow dryer. So this is a Conair brush. It came in a set. I believe it came with a comb, the blow dryer, this brush, something like that, something along those lines. And I am splitting my hair in two. You do not have to do this, or if you do have more hair than me, I really don't have that much hair, you can split it into more sections. And we are opening this up. It smells so good. This is papaya scent, and I don't think I've ever had a papaya, but if this is what papaya tastes like I want to eat a papaya. So I'm taking about this much and just running it through the ends first, and then the top of my head. And you do want to make sure you get the back section, because I know those hairs normally don't get as much love. For the other side, we're going to do the same thing. And I'm just going to brush my hair one more time to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. Now I'm tying my hair up. It doesn't matter if it's up, down, wherever, as long as it's up. Make sure your hair is just together. So very loosely, I tied it in a low bun. Now you could just put on a plastic cap. If you have a plastic bag, you could do that as well. Just put that on. And I like putting this on top. So this is another shower cap, but it is I guess, lined. So I don't want, you know, the mask to actually touch this. So I'm putting this on top just to keep all the heat in. And I'm going to find some food and I will be back with you guys in an hour. So before I go eat, I thought I should talk to you guys about the hair mask first. So I'm just going to read the label to you guys. It is a vegan formula that is 94% biodegradable. It has no silicones, parabens, or artificial colorants. The 1 minute hair mask treat your hair to this creamy indulgence with 98% naturally derived ingredients. 3 ways to get soft, smooth, and damage repaired hair. How to use. As a mask. After shampoo, apply onto wet hair and leave on for 1 minute, then rinse. As a conditioner, after shampoo, apply to hair from root to tip, then rinse. Or as a leave-in, which is what I'm doing, apply on damp hair for intense surface repair. Of course, after that, I am going to, let it sit for an hour, like I mentioned before, rinse it off, and then I am going to condition after. The conditioner I'm going to be using is the sister to the shampoo, so I'm going to be using the XOXO coconut milk conditioner. And I have tried this mask, I believe, twice before, and I did see a difference on my curls. I feel like my curls looked curlier than, the waves I've gotten. So I believe I have like 20 minutes left, and I will be back with you guys once I have my hair rinsed, conditioned, and all of that so that we can style. Now that our hair is freshly rinsed and conditioned, I'm just going to brush my hair once again. And at this step, I do like to remove any excess water I may have, especially towards the ends of my hair. I feel like that's where most of the water normally collects. Now I like to split my hair in half again. And I'm going to be applying my leave-in conditioner. So this is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. So this is supposed to repair, restore, protect, and condition your overworked tresses, formulated with certified organic blueberry extract, chamomile extract, and coconut oil, proven to repair damaged hair, encourage hair growth, and prevent breakage. So I do use this to help with my damaged hair as well, and we're going to apply about this much, starting at the ends again. And with whatever is left, I normally run my hair through the back and the front of my hair as well. And we're doing the same on the other side. And for our styler, I'm going to be using the XOXO Locking Coconut Curls Air Dry Cream. So this is a no blow dry needed strands air dry soft with coconut oil and shea butter. This creamy blend helps curls hold bounce without crunch. So I'm going to apply about 2 pumps onto each section of hair, starting from the bottom and making sure to get everywhere. And I'm doing the same to the other side. Now I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair just to try to distribute the product. I don't want to brush my hair again. And that's just personal preference for me. I know most people like to go in with their brush to like define and style their curls, but I do not. And now I'm going to flip my head upside down and scrunch the hair up. And And so that you guys could actually see the finished product, I am going to diffuse my hair. And this is my Revlon 1875 Ionic Ceramic Blow Dryer, and I am going to use it on the warm setting with low heat. And now that my hair is about 80% dry, I'm going to change the nozzle to the more concentrated one. And we are going to do this on warm, high heat. Now I'm just going to flip my hair and fluff it, so just go like this to the roots. And now we have all this volume, and just look at my hair. As you can see, you still see some like straight stringy pieces. Like look at this hair. But overall, like compared to how wavy my hair was before, it is looking pretty good. And let me just spin. And if you guys have damaged hair like me, I hope this video helped you in some way. I absolutely love that Garnier 1 minute mask. It is absolutely bomb, and I feel like that is what got my hair way healthier. And I do feel like this reparative leave-in conditioner and these hair supplements, so I probably should have mentioned this earlier in the video, but these are the XOXO ZHZOU Hair Fluence Premium Hair Growth Formula. I've been taking these vitamins for, I want to say, about 2 weeks now, and I feel like these two together, my hair has grown so much. And yeah, if you want like to repair your damage and all that stuff, I hope this video works out for you guys. I hope it gives you the same results if you guys try it as it gave me. If you did try this routine and it did work for you, please leave that in the comments down below. If you would like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday at 6:30 p.m. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share the video so all of your friends and family could see it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, toodles!